brother's side. Then I'm Sia, to investigate. Set free. In the Philippines. Like the video, subscribe, get notified.
Hello guys, in today's video we'll make a pumpkin recipe. We have oversupply of pumpkin in our farm. This will be the main ingredients to our recipes. How to make pumpkin churros. Mini pumpkin churros and big bite pumpkin churros. Clean the pumpkin. Peel off all the skin. Wash and drain the pumpkin. Cut into small pieces. Bake the pumpkin and dry it, but don't burn it. This is the puree pumpkin. To achieve the pumpkin puree, all the baked pumpkin that we cook, we will all crush it in the mortar. In a pan, put 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt. Simmer in low-medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Mix all the ingredients until well combined. Add half cup puree pumpkin. Mix it well. This is now ready. Switch off the flame. While it's little warm, we will add now the 1 1/2 cup flour. Mix until we achieve the soft dough. We will add now the 2 eggs gradually. First, we use first egg and mix it. You will observe that the batter or the dough is separate, but it's okay. Continue mixing until it will combine again. We can add now the one last egg. Repeat the same procedure. Now we are ready to put in a piping bag and ready to cook. We will fry now in a cooking oil. This is our big bite pumpkin churros. Fry it until golden brown. This is the mini pumpkin churros, the same procedure with the big bite pumpkin churros. For the additional taste of our pumpkin churros recipe, we will add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Leave your suggestion and comment below. Until next time for additional pumpkin recipe.